What do you think?
Yes.
Do you like the car wash?
Yeah. It's gonna stop.
Yeah, it's gonna stop for a bit, and then it's gonna be more soap. There's more soap.
More still?
More soap.
Hey. It's okay now, not me.
How's your Cheetos?
Good.
Oh, I'm so glad.
And I can't see.
I know you can't see because it's all sudsy out there. I think it's gonna rinse off now.
Oh, there's water.
Yeah, here comes the water, the jets.
Oh, cool.
Do you like it?
Let's get over.
It's gonna spray your window. Ah! Oh, here comes more suds. Car's taking a bath.
No, it's not.
Are you okay?
Soapy?
Yeah. Is the window cold or warm?
Warm.
Warm. Oh, they're using warm water. Here comes more jets.
There's more jets.
Yeah, they're gonna spray the water off the car now.
Get out to my window. It's getting in my window.
There, now it's clean.
Car wash. Stop.
Are you talking to the car wash like it's Alexa?
Stop.
It's okay. That's the polish. The gloss wax.
Stop it, polish.
Well, guess what? I think we're done.
Yes.
Goodbye, car wash. Thank you.